Here are 5 reasons you should buy this house in Twin Rivers, Parrish, Florida. This 3,300 square foot home has 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, an office, a wet bar, and so much more. Open floor plans are not just great for entertaining, they're also really great to keep your family close. Another great feature about this home is that it has a 3-way split plan. So in the event you don't need to keep those family members that close. This beautiful saltwater pool also features a sun shelf. So can you imagine sitting out here sunbathing while looking over this beautiful lake? Doesn't get any better than that. Just behind me are the walking trails where you will find the dock and you can kayak.